Hello, this is going to be a quick desktop tour of my computer. I have wanted to make a video like this for a long time. It is not going to be good or helpful or educational in the slightest. This is just for my own documentation purposes and for fun because I think it's neat. So, yep, that's gonna be that. Yeah, and if you want to watch, or if anybody actually watches to the end, that's cool. I'm glad it was of merit to somebody or of interest. So this is my desktop, my computer. It is a Lenovo L13 Gen 2 Yoga ThinkPad. I bought it for about $450 on Amazon, refurbished. I don't remember what year it actually launched, but it used to retail for about $1K. So $450, $500, not a bad deal. I got this. I wanted something smaller to travel with, something convertible so I could draw on it, and something that I could just do bare metal Linux on. The other computer I have is an HP Pavilion 15 gaming laptop. I started out with Windows 10, upgraded to Windows 11, hit Windows 11, downgraded back to 10. Once I was back on 10, I dual booted Mint and Windows. Got sick of dual booting, bought this, the Daily Drive, and then after that I just went back to Windows 10, clean install, and I only ever use it now for heavier games or to screen share on Discord with my wife. We are in a long distance relationship, and as of now, 2024, end of 2024, Linux Discord support still doesn't allow for audio over screen sharing, at least for the version I have right now. I've heard rumors that it might finally get support soon. We'll see, but for now it's just busted. I've tried using Desktop. I don't remember if my wife was also using Desktop. I don't think she was. I can't remember. So I'll still experiment maybe, but it's not worth the hassle most of the time. So yeah. Anyway, this is my computer. This is my desktop. I'm in Linux Mint Cinnamon DE. I have used Ubuntu, Kubuntu. I hate GNOME. KDE was alright. I wasn't a fan. It was too clunky, too much, I don't know. I didn't really like it. At some point, I'd like to, try Fedora or whatever, and, I'll either use KDE there, or I think they have a cinnamon flavor, like cinnamon spin, but I don't know. It probably isn't as nice as just using Mint, because cinnamon is obviously made in-house by the Mint team. So, whatever. Whenever I distro hop, I guess I'll experiment with something else, but for now, I'm sticking with Mint. I've been using it for 2 years. Cinnamon is my favorite. It's awesome. I have 2 panels. This is my main one, always show. I got the center menu, system tray, quickly, show desktop, date, time, weather, battery, session something manager, I forget what this is called. Yeah, session manager, audio, Wi-Fi, reminders, or notifications. I have reminders, I don't ever use it. I'm probably gonna get rid of it, take it off of here, I just always forget. On-screen keyboard for, when I'm drawing or whatever, using this as a touch screen, it's easy to have that on hand to quickly tap onto. Updates, Bluetooth, whatever. Bird Tray, CPU, and then this is my screen recorder. Bird Tray is a separate program that has Thunderbird run in the background. I have it set to run on startup. And yeah, so I just click into it through here. It gives me desktop notifications. It's cool. If you use Thunderbird as a client, email client, get Bird Tray. It's awesome. Over here is my other panel. I've got workspaces. I've got my panel launcher. This is its own applet. It is called Places. It's a quick directory. Control Alt P is what I have it set to the keyboard. It is not part of panel launcher, so I basically went to the configure, messed with the icon size till it matched these, and then I have a spacer over here that forces this down, so no matter how, if I take programs off of here and the spacing of this changes, this will always be right on top because this is set to something crazy like 400 pixels as I can go, so it's always going to force it down there. This down here is a new applet that I found out about recently. So this is set to intelligently hide. So this happens sometimes, unfortunately, with this. Yeah, like it can sticky, like the hover thing. Anyway, and sometimes if I'm on Firefox or if I'm on Steam, I'll try and go here and like click on stuff, Alt bar, or like in Steam, the back button, whatever, and it'll make this pop up, and it's so annoying. And I used to have to go into settings, set it to always show or auto hide or always hide, whatever, annoying. I didn't like it. So for the longest time I wanted to find something that I could like have this just stay still and then turn off and on when I want to toggle it. And I did some Googling. It's not possible on Cinnamon, or at least it wasn't. And then recently I found a Reddit post, which I will link, that basically someone found an applet, and so you can pin the panel, so it makes things easier. So I'll demonstrate. So since my Places was Control Alt P, I couldn't do P for panel, so I just did the key opposite of P on the keyboard, which is Q. So Control Alt Q, pin it. It's as if it's always show. It's always there. It's not going to get in my way. It's not going to, be annoying. And then Control Alt Q. It defaults back to whatever behavior it's set at initially. So it's at intelligent hide, and I guess for some reason it thinks that, I don't know, whichever mechanism, it doesn't register that it's supposed to be hiding right now, even though I have this maximized. So I just hover over it, and then it reverts back to intelligent hide, and it goes away. Yeah, I don't know. This is a G drive folder. I used to run rclone a shit ton. I have a alias. I just set the G drive and it launches rclone. That'll show my mounted drives up here somewhere. Yep, right there. G drive is on. I don't really use Google Drive anymore. I'm trying to de-Google. I want to find a good cloud storage option, but I can't afford all of like the non-Google stuff right now. I used to use Dropbox. Dropbox has a Linux client like someone made. I didn't love it, or maybe it's native. I think actually Dropbox has their own. I can't remember. I also did. Someone has something on GitHub called OneDriver for OneDrive, because for a short amount of time I would pay for OneDrive, and I didn't like that. So anyway, goodbye, Google Drive. Oops, it's not what I wanted. How did I do this? I thought... Doesn't have Control-Shift close to like end it? Oh, I forgot how to end the program. I'm such a fucking... that's embarrassing. How did I end that? I don't remember what I used to do to end terminal to end that. Huh. But whatever, yeah. Close it, whatever, I don't care. Go away, Google. Yeah, alright, it's unmounted. Anyway. Yeah, so that's that. Other keyboard shortcuts, I have Control Alt F for Firefox. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Control Alt C, you just saw it by mistake, that's my calculator. I have Control Alt S for Sublime Text. I'll just briefly show this. Control Shift P, I'll put plain text, as if, so this is as if you just have like a brand new virgin document. Control Shift P, SS, CSS, changes it, the syntax to CSS. set syntax, HTML, I use that, and then Markdown. And so this is a Markdown file. It auto-populates like footnotes, so blah, 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 blah. It'll do links, cool, so like I'll do like a little bracket link. Ah, this is a link. Ah, this is, you know, whatever website, and then ooh, it hides it, so it's really easy. It makes it handy, and then I can just grab that, Control X, Control V. It's still, the content is the same. It's just not showing. So this is a plugin, and I will quickly show that. Package control. Whoops. Package control. List packages. Yeah. So Markdown editing, Markdown. Package control is whatever, and then keyword spell check, and then I also have the same thing that helps with HTML documents. So I will briefly demonstrate that. HTML, P, style, boom, it's already there. Font, like whatever. Yeah, so that's nice. And then it'll do like P, boom, A, yeah, I forgot, yeah, there it is. Okay, so yeah, so that's nice. I like that. So yeah, Sublime Text, that's cool. One day I'll pay for it when I have more money. Today's not that day, so it's always going to be unregistered, RIP. I'm running a Gruffbox theme. I Gruffbox everything that I can. Yellow's my favorite color. I want to eventually swap the yellow and the green values because I want yellow to be the focus, but I haven't messed around with that because to do that you have to like do like the actual document, and I just can't be asked right now to go in and change all of this crap because it's like a lot. So yeah. Anyway, that's that. What else? Alt Control N for Nemo. I'm pretty sure this is running Nemo. That or Dolphin. I can't remember. I don't know if it. All topics. Well, let's say. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Help. About. Nemo. Yep. Okay, so it is Nemo. Maybe they used Dolphin in the past. I don't remember where I got that. I don't know who uses Dolphin. Whatever. Someone uses Dolphin. Some D out there. Well, it's not Cinnamon, I guess. Control Alt K for Krita. I'll do a separate Krita video at some point because I have like a lot of like UI and plugin, but I love Krita. Krita's the best. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah. Oh, so for this theme, I'll link it in the icon pack. The default icons come with yellow for like the file system and Explorer and all of that. To change that, you have to do this GitHub thing that I found. Gruffbox plus. Yes, here it is. So there's a whole bunch of color options with this icon pack. Black, green, purple, you know, whatever. This is default blue. But yeah, I don't remember exactly how to do it. Like, change it. I can't remember. But I just found this person's fix and it works, and so like it is what it is. So you basically copy this wall of commands into a text editor. They had it set to the tomato, the red folder option. Mine is called gold. It's this one right here. The other ones, I forget. You can see it on the website playing. There's like all sorts of different ones. Control Shift A, by the way, is my dark reader. Yeah, so you can see on here when you download the file that there's like all sorts of different color options. Anyway, you just Control Shift, change whatever tomato to whatever color you want, open it inside this file path, and then you run these commands and it just swaps all of the folders. So yeah, that's what I got going on. I used to be a serial wallpaper changer and a theme changer. The only other one that I have, let me show you real quick if I can remember. This panel's gonna be like fucking massive on it. It is Material Black Mango. I used to love this, and at some point I will probably wind up going back. The only issue with this one, now that I remember, now that I'm using it, is some of the icons are not persistent. So like these custom programs, they're not like ooh la la, because they're with the icon pack. So I'll have to find like an icon pack that like matches this. But yeah, I remember that it always bugged the fuck out of me that these weren't like also whatever this is, the value is down to the opacity, I don't remember. But anyway, so I used to use this a lot, and I used the papyrus, I don't know how you say it. And then to change the color folder of those, I found this little script, and you just run it, and it just changes whatever color you want. So it's have it set to yellow, obviously. But yeah. Oh, this is the Minecraft box, my theme, for like months and months and months, and same with this wallpaper. So yeah. Did I mention this already? This was conky stuff. I don't remember if I did. I'm pretty sure that I did. It's conky, minimalist, Gotham. I just changed it up until I liked how it looked. So that's it. That's all I have for you. Yeah, I hope you liked it. I doubt anybody's watching this, but if you did, that's cool. You are my favorite person ever, because you watched this whole video of me just rambling, and that makes me happy. So thanks. Actually, the only person who's probably going to watch all of this is my wife, so hi, Gem. And if you are watching this and you're not my wife, cool. I'd say I marry you, but I can't because I'm already married, so thanks for being awesome and interested in my dumb video. So I'm going to end it now. Goodbye.